This is what I love about living here. Hey, pussycat though. Hey! Hey, he's up to it, mate. Did you see that? Hey! I gotta... You gonna dive bomb you? You got... Whoa! Come on, cat. Hey, he's up turbo. You're getting dive bombed. Whoa! Look at that. It's a killer. Come on. Woo! Woo! I don't know if I got it, but... Woof! They do get fucking rather... Oh, look! I'm going to turn it this way now. Look at that! Look at them! Come on, come over here! What are you doing? What are you doing? Tweet, 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 tweet. Look at that! I'm actually getting these things dive bombing a cat, and this is just incredible footage. When have you seen that? There goes a walking stick, but I don't care. Where's these birds gone? Oh, there's safety in numbers. Tweet, tweet, tweet. There he is. Hey. You just got to keep the camera pointed at. Come on, cat, over here. Come on, puss. Puss, 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 puss. Come on, puss. Watch out for the ferals. You leave it. Oh, hey, he's up. Come on, get under the car. Huh? Just fucking get under the car. Instead of going under the car and hiding, just sitting there, and the birds is coming back again, and here they come. They're coming back. Here they come. I'm filming out here. I'm filming the wildlife bomb the cat. You should see it. I've got some incredible pictures.